Welcome, friends. My name is Artem Shevelyov, and today I'm with Phoenix Trader. And maybe after Bitcoin Wizard will connect us, maybe not. So today we're gonna share with you what we think about the market, what we think about ICOs that will be listed on Binance and ICOs that will be listed on Bittrex. So connect to our live stream, share your thoughts about the market, share what you think about the market, and let us know what is your interest, what do you want to see on a live stream today, what coins to check. So just use the chat below the video, okay? And if you are live, stay tuned to our channel and press thumbs up, all right? So let us start. Phoenix, hi, I see you connected already. Phoenix, how are you? How is your...
Hi, I am good. Hi, everyone. I hope all is good, are good with this market. Was good days, last days.
Yeah, market was good last days. We get a lot of profits. Recently, we closed a lot of trades with really big amounts of profits. I shared our results from BlackStone at our main Telegram channel. If you're still not subscribed to the Telegram channel, find the link below this video in description, okay? Hi again to everybody who joined us. Guys, if you're watching us from... I know you are watching us from different countries, so let me know and let Phoenix know where are you from. Just type in the chat, where are you from? Show us some that you are live, where you're living, so we better know how to speak with you, okay? Anyway, today we're gonna check a lot of coins. I see already people asking about coins. Okay, I will check it. So market is really good right now. While BTC is stable, we see that the market is giving us a lot of opportunities to take trades on altcoins. So today live stream will be mostly about altcoins, and we will talk about ICO right now. So right now I'm gonna switch to my browser, and we're gonna check something interesting, what is going on with ICOs right now, okay? The first, I want to start with Bittrex IEO. So Bittrex launches first IEO, initial exchange offering. I think this is pretty same with ICO, but they trying to highlight their activities from different exchanges. So they are launching IEO. So doesn't matter how it's naming, but still they have a token sale for RAID token. They will sell about $6 million on this token sale, and so they trying to following footsteps of Binance Launchpad. So Bittrex is a big exchange. We all know about Bittrex. If we trading about a year or even more, I know that Bittrex was founded. I don't remember when, but I think they are founded from like 2014 or 2015. So they're really big exchange. They have a lot of history. A lot of coins was listed on Bittrex first, not on other exchanges. They are listed on Bittrex, and after that, they listed to other exchanges. So Bittrex is a really nice exchange, which we used to use it in 2017, which we used it in 2016. So after all liquidity moved it to Binance, we moved it to Binance as well. So I think this news about the IEO on Bittrex is really important step for them, and they trying to back up their attention to them. This is a good step. And as we know, Bittrex exchange is they are located in USA, so they are more safe than other exchanges which located in somewhere in other countries, because as you know, US government have really strict regulations about the exchanges, and if they work in USA, it means that they are more safe than others. This is what I'm thinking. So let me try to I still don't know what about this project. We can check their website. Let me check where they what they have. Bittrex raid, where is it? They have this website or something. xrd.gg. Wow, nice. Okay, so what is RAID? Game data market. So this is again coin for the games or for the developers of the games. So yeah, they have a nice website, like a lot of coins, and projects have a really good website. Where they're from? They from Asia. I don't know where exactly, but they're from Asia. So okay, well, websites doesn't tell a lot about the project. The website is only marketing thing that is helping the projects to get well known or something like this. So anyway, I don't think that this I don't think from the initial listing they will pump. Maybe they will go sideways or something like this. But anyway, people who making investments in this coin, they will try to fix profits when the coin will be listed. At least most of them will try to do it. I think that team and other stuff, they will not sell at the listing, but eventually they will start to fix profits when they see when they feel need it. Okay, so yeah, Gazanfar saying Bitter is jumping in ICO game. Yeah, this is right. I think ICO have another wave. We had the first ICO wave in 2016. We had next as a first ICO project, as I remember, Ignis Ardor. Next, the whole ecosystem of this projects was started back in 2016, and they started this ICO market. And 2017 to 2018 was years of ICO. So I think that 2018 will be not an exception, and market will in the market will flow with another new wave of ICOs. This is not doesn't mean that you should trade them. Maybe you should take a look at them and make a decision, because sometimes when you see listed coin, they have a price which is bigger than ICO price, and this is not okay for the traders, for those who didn't invest in the ICO. For those who want to trade, they should follow the chart, you know. So when this coin will be listed, don't follow it blindly. Wait for the price action. Wait for the bigger time frames. Wait for a bigger chart. It will allow you to trade better, to find better trading opportunities. And as you know already, that Binance have a lot of volume right now, but Bittrex doesn't have so many volume like Binance. But anyway, this project can may bring attention, at least for the short term. So this is what I'm thinking about this. I don't know about their white paper. I don't care about it. I just want this. I will wait for the chart to make my decision about it. Okay. So if you people know about this project more than I do, if you know, guys, what is going on the Bittrex with this ICO, this IEO, tell us in the chat below the video what you know. Share the links or something like this if you know more. And Phoenix, do you with us?
Yes, bro.
Yeah.
But
What do you think?
Okay, there, as you said, we may see other wave for it, but I think we will see at first many of them make big profit, and after that, may you buy with 1 USD and sell after ICO when listed on exchange with 5 cents. It is market cycle as we saw last year's. So if anyone want join ICO, can join BNB, Binance ICOs, but use something, can take risk with it. And but after 1 month, 2 months, maybe no one will care about ICO.
You know what? I just look at this news, and I found this, what I highlighted. Authorized users will be able to purchase rate tokens using Bitcoin. So when people trying to buy ICOs which listed on Binance Launchpad, they have to buy it with BNB. Yes, and as we know already, BNB overpriced right now. It's really overpriced. At least in it is overpriced for for BTC price. You know, if their USD value is still can go up like $17, maybe $20, but BTC price is way overpriced for me, and I don't want to buy BNB right now. Doesn't matter what the case. I don't care, because the I think BNB price is just way too high to make any buys. So
okay, bro, I want to add other thing about Bittrex. Okay, Bittrex last year was big exchange and was the leader of market. But now if we check its volume, it is very low.
yeah, volume low.
And this is a problem. I don't think in this case it will stay leader for exchanges or for market, or there will be any effect on the market, all the market, because now maybe there is more than 20 exchange have volume bigger than Bittrex.
Yeah, you're right about the volume. You're totally right with this, and I think this project.
Maybe most of maybe there is many traders who joined trading last year. They don't heard about Bittrex or don't know what is Bittrex.
Yeah.
You see it.
Anyway, Bittrex have opportunity to bring up attention to them again, because as you see the price for BNB, I think it shows us the development of BNB platform, of Binance Coin, of Binance Exchange as well. So if Binance Coin will start to fall, it will mean that they will at least for some short term, they will lost attention to them. And if Bittrex will take this attention, it will be good for the market, as I think. So we have more information about this ICO. Gazanfar sharing with us the new information. This ICO, this rate token, what they are doing, they will sell gaming data like in-game purchases, items owned, and other information about the gamers. They will sell it for the gaming companies, and it will they are like a basic model, right? And so this is their main job. What they will do, they will say they will collect data and sell to the gaming projects. This is, I think, this is good because gaming industry is really big, and a lot of gamers, I mean game developers, they need a lot of data which they can use to improve their sales. This is main objective for them, and we see this project will be probably helpful for this area of the game development. Okay, so yeah, in Korea it will be really popular. Yeah, I think so. Okay. Anyway, with this IEO, Bittrex, I think, should show the cryptocurrency world that they can do it like Binance do, and they probably will try to push it up to bring more attention. And after this, initial offering, they will, I think, they will start to make more and more projects launch from their platform. Okay, let's move to another ICO, which is really people waiting. This is CELER ICO. I'm sorry. Okay, CELER ICO. Yeah, they have a roadmap and something like this. Okay. Let me check it. Okay. So CELER, this is a scaling platform for the applications. I don't know what they are doing, but anyway, it doesn't mean for me, because I'm looking at the chart and I'm trying to figure out what is going to be, what is my opportunity to trade. So I don't care what they are doing. I'm just looking for the chart. So and if you're trading, I think that this is important for you to think the same way. So they have a lot of interesting stuff for the game developers, for the application developers. So I think they will probably reach some results in this field. Anyway, what is going on with CELER? I mean, token allocation is really interesting here. I didn't find I didn't find token allocation for Ray token, but I find token allocation for CELER, which is really interesting because you can see that people who will buy this token on Launchpad sale, it will be only 6% of the whole tokens. What does it mean? It means that only a small portion of the people will buy this coin, and a lot of people have this coin for a big discount. First of all, team, they will probably hold their token and they will not sell in the first after listing. A foundation, they probably will not sell as well. They will probably hold this token for some period. But look at this. We have seed round and we have private round. It is about 26%, 27% of this tokens. 27% of these tokens. This is really a lot of tokens. And these people from private round and from seed round, they will probably going to sell their tokens immediately after listing. So that's why I'm calling that you need to focus on the chart. When you see new listing, don't pick up the price blindly. Just check the chart, wait for the more moves coming in, and just take a trade after you see a good opportunity. Never trade blindly, okay? And this is really important, because a lot of people, this is really a lot of people and a lot of tokens, a lot of money, they would try to fix their profits after the listing, okay? And people who will try to buy this after listing, they will be like a, they will just buying overpriced projects, okay? So you have to check what you are buying and waiting for better opportunity, I think. So if you guys have questions about this CELER ICO, just let me know in the chat. If you have some more information, share this information with us in the chat under this below the video, okay? Okay, we have a question. Are you participate in any of ICOs? No, I don't participate in ICOs because I don't see the chart. I don't trade this shit blindly, because I don't want to, I don't want to stuck with these coins for a lot of time, and I don't want to wait for the miracle, I just want to see the chart. I see opportunity, I trade it. We have a lot of coins on the market to trade. Really a lot of coins. And I don't think that the people is need to sorry guys, what is going on with I just checked that our picture wasn't changed. Guys, I'm really sorry. I had some mistaken. So right now, I think you should see this token allocation. Let me check again. Oh, shit. Okay. I just figured it out that I talked it with you without information on my on the screen, and okay. Once again, this is about token allocation for CELER ICO. CELER ICO will be launched 19 March on Binance Launchpad, right? So after the Launchpad, they will list it on the Binance as well. I don't know which date, but it will be announced very soon. So anyway, look at this token allocation. We have a mining rewards, 25% of the tokens. Team have 20% of tokens, and foundation have a lot, 17% of the tokens. And the team and foundation probably will not sell at the first round of listing. They will probably hold tokens for long term. Private round, seed round, having a lot of tokens, about 27% of the tokens, and they will probably sell after the listing, okay? This is really important information. The private round and seed round people will probably sell after the listing. So don't buy CELER ICO blindly. Just wait for the price action and wait for the chart coming in, okay? So yeah, Diamond saying but only 15% private round wants to sell immediately because the seed price is same as Launchpad. Private sale was 0.015. Anyway, I think private rounds and seed round will sell immediately after the listing because as we saw with Fetch ICO, and I think it will be repeated with this ICO as well, that the price on the listing will be bigger than the private round, they will be bigger than seed round, and even bigger than launchpad sale. So it doesn't matter, the people who connected for seed round, for private round, they will try to sell these tokens immediately. At least most of them will try to sell it. Gazanfar sharing his information. Seller has a working product. Gazanfar downloaded their application, which has testnet. There is one game available to play now. They will add more later. I saw some bugs in the app. Yeah, I think they just making it for people to try, and people who try, they starting to believe that this is really working product, this is really useful things. But after time, after maybe a year or two, most of the projects will be forgotten, and people won't come back to them. So I think that we still need to wait for the chart to come in. And after we will see the chart, we will take our decision about these coins, about these tokens, to trade them or not. Okay. Okay. What we have next? What we have next for this ICO, Phoenix? Do you with us right now? What do you think about the seller? Okay, I think Phoenix.
Hello.
Oh yeah. What do you think about seller? What do you think about the launchpad sale, and what do you think after?
As I said before, it will make, after you buy, make 2x, 3x as first ICOs, ICO, and after that. So if you want join. Can take risk for it. Now it is they pump all Binance, they pump prices to attract more money for other ICO.
Yeah, that's what they trying to do.
So I think they will, if now it's when it listed on Binance, we may see 2x or 3x profit.
For launchpad sale.
Yeah.
So the people who bought on the launchpad or seed round or private round, they will try to sell it, right?
Well, I don't know if they will sell, because if we check, it is only 6%.
Look at seed round.
Most of token will be with them.
Look at the seed round. Seed round have 11% of the tokens, and private round have 15% of tokens. So if we combine them, this is about 30% tokens of whole seller ICO. So I think the most of these people will try to fix profits if they will see them. If they will see like a 2x, 3x, or even more, they probably will take their profits. I think this is normal for the people take profits. So
you need to sell fast. Don't hold it.
Yeah.
When
you have to see
sell.
listing sell.
Don't be greedy. Okay, you make 100% profit, sell. 50% sell.
Yeah.
Is the trade, not feeling in love.
Yeah, exactly. Not feeling in love. Okay, don't marry coins, right? All right. Before we will switch to another, hit thumbs up if you like this video. If you don't like this video, hit thumbs up. Anyway, okay. Okay, let's go next. What we have for today? Let's check something what I shared with you guys on my StreamQ page. I shared a lot of education material that you can use right now in the trades, because a lot of coins, a lot of projects, a lot of tokens have similar patterns on their charts. Just follow my steps. So first pattern which we can find on ADA it's head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders, classic pattern. We still price still developing this pattern, and it is really nice looking. And this is accumulation pattern where the price could just break out and go up, up, up really hard. As you can see on this chart, we have a lot of targets: 1,600, 1,900, 2,000, and what will next? 2,500 or something like this. So even up to 3,000. I think 3,000 is still reachable. So there is a lot of profits you can take for holding midterm ADA. Okay. So really strong coin, really strong project. I think people who I remember, I remember January, people asking here when to buy more, when the price was like 8,000 satoshis, and I don't know when to buy more, But right now it is really good buy. It is really a nice looking chart. I think it's really strong, and after some period we will see a big move. This is for ADA, Okay. Next pattern, well-known cap and handle pattern. This is bullish pattern. If you see it in the bottom, it is bullish pattern. If you see cap and handle, it is looking really nice on the CMT, Kyber miles. Price is just going up here and trying to figure out their support. I think the price will revisit this support zone and will start to move again. So right now, I think this price is price developing a really interesting, nice pattern that you can see on the other coins. I probably will show you some other coins which have the similar pattern today. So it is a bullish pattern. You have to know how it looks like, how it's forming. It shouldn't be a perfect, but it should have a really nice cup and small or sometimes big, but mostly often they have a small handle. And after breakout, they try to retest this previous resistance area as a support. So what we can see right now, the price is trying to revisit this area to take more demand and go up again. So this is what I'm waiting for this coin. I still didn't buy it, but I wait for the retracement to take a trade. Felix, do you want to say something?
Nothing to add about. But as you said, we should be waiting to test broken resistance.
Yeah.
Join it.
Okay, guys. Next pattern that we have on for the accumulation patterns, it's ascending channel. It is really not. I don't like this pattern actually to trade, but as you see, the price here is just going fast and making a higher lows and higher highs. So right now the price for EOS on this example, this is EOS, still trying to retest again this support area, which was a resistance area in 2018. They trying to revisit $3 or $3.3. And after this, I think that EOS will go up. Maybe it will reach $6, $7, or even $10 mark. It is really reachable. I still think this area probably is the main targets for the EOS for the midterm. This is not short-term trades. This is mid-term swing trades. If you want to join them, better choose the good entry here and go with the trend. This is ascending channel, also known extra strange trading range. Okay, let's move forward, and we have another. Oh, yeah, Binance Coin have the similar ascending channel, and what you can see here is a breakout from this ascending channel and going up. Look, and the price right now in the markup phase, I still think that we probably will hit $17 or something like this, maybe $20. Doesn't matter how much, but after reaching some point, we will start to make a distribution and go down. So as you can see here, the price after this ascending channel broke to the upside and reached these levels. You can see here, and this is why I'm calling for EOS to reach about 10 or something like near $10. Okay, and last pattern which I shared with you is descending channel. I'm sorry, descending wedge. Descending wedge, also known as falling wedge pattern, also known as a well, what is it? Falling wedge and descending wedge. Yeah, only this. So this is also accumulation pattern. As you can see, NEO have this pattern, and the price is probably going to reach these resistances, 32, 31. I'm holding NEO. I think this price is just going okay and going good. The price is looking really nice and strong. Main target, I think basic targets here is like about 30 and 50 or even higher. We can wait for bigger prices for midterm.
Bro, as I saw in the market, most of them in accumulation, and any coin when we see any news or any update on it, it pump hard very fast. So
Exactly.
When you trade, you have two choices. So one choice, buy and wait any news, checking for coins which may have news in next month, in March and April. Or when see any news, join fast, exit fast, make fast scalp 10%, 20% profit and exit. Take your part from this move and exit. So in this period, we have, in both case, will work good. You can buy low and waiting any news, because we saw many alts, any small news, it make it pump 100.
You know, this is good for the market.
But
you know why?
You need to check coin, see coin with good chart, good TA in accumulating period or on strong support, or and check coin with which have active teams, because we know Binance before 1 month they delisted some alts, and may we see some other alts which don't have active teams, don't make updates, delist it. So it needs set stop loss for any bad news. But this is the market. We need to take risk to make a profit. If we will thinking about losses, we will not make a profit.
Exactly. We need to think about the risks, not the losses. How many you can lose? This is only a real question that you need to ask for yourself. If you're still not, if you're still worrying about the trades, if you're still worrying about what to enter, what to buy, where to sell, you have to think how many I can lose from the money which I loaded to exchange. How many? This should be a real number, you know? Like if you loaded 10 grand, look, I can lose 1,000 from it, okay? If you can lose 1,000 from it, stick to it. If you're losing more than 1,000, stop and try to think how you can trade without taking so many risks. How you can manage your risk to make smaller losses, to cut losses really fast and enter only good trades. How to start entering trade, which a really important question about. If you're starting to enter a trade, you see good trade like a NEO, you're starting to enter, but look what I do. I try to enter with small amount. I just put small amount. If I see the trade is going with my strategy, if it go with my TA, I just load more. And in this point, I start taking a risk, but I start taking a risk with a clear mind, which I see. I enter it with a small amount in a good entry. I added more when I see confirmation. If things going bad, I enter it with a small amount, and things going bad. I don't risk a lot. I just risk with a small amount, and I go and close the trade. And this is normal to take risks. And in some games like a poker, you always have to think, what do you have on the cards and what do you have on the table? So the same with trading. You have a knowledge about TA. You should have knowledge about TA because it is your opportunity to take trade. If you don't know TA, you better learn it. Or you better try again. So sometimes you have to know basic things about the risk taking, and this is to learn them. You can try some poker, not on real money, just on the fake money or something like this, or in game points, like something like this. So just to learn how to manage risk, how to make profits from small accounts, how to make double X, how to make something like this. And eventually you will start to trade better, because if you see opportunity, you enter small, you see confirmation of this opportunity, you enter in bigger. And after you enter in bigger, you gain more profits, right? Another case, you enter it small, you have you don't have a confirmation, you don't enter, you have a stop loss, you just cut off the losses and you exit with small loss. So I try to describe it how I think and describe it how I trade. I try to make it with easy words because I don't have this big vocabulary to introduce the idea better, but I try to describe it. If you understand what I'm talking about, just hit thumbs up and show it in the chat if you agree with this. If you have different view on the risk management, I don't talking about money management. I'm talking about risk management because this is different things. If you have something other in mind, just share it in the chat below the video. I will read your comment as well. So I will share back to TA. I will share more ideas about accumulation processes on my TradingView page. So be sure that you subscribe to IR Shevlov TradingView as well. Okay. Let's move forward and check what is going on. I posted some free trades here, not in the VIP. I posted them on the public. So this is 0x. Have a nice breakout from the falling wedge pattern. It's still developing here, but I think the price could reach 10,000 area or something like this. USD price also break this resistance and trying to go up. So 0x is looking good. About 15, 30, 60 or 70% profits you can take here. We have a bullish divergence on BTC chart. We have bullish divergence on USD chart. So it is a really nice opportunity to take 0x in your portfolio. Okay, what about LSK? LSK have a really nice structure. It have a interesting setup. It is already broke this resistance in USD price. Already broke resistance. It's heading to my first target. My first target 1.6. LSK BTC price also broke this resistance, small resistance, and trying to go up. I'm inside the trade. I'm still waiting for bigger profits. I don't want to sell it right now. Still looking good. Still looking good to enter. I see it really, really nice. Small, really small descending wedge, but it is 3-day chart. So it is not so small if you go into like a 4-hour chart or something like this. It is really normal and pretty nice looking descending wedge. Okay, what we have next? Okay, let's start checking some altcoins. Phoenix, what altcoins do you have in mind?
I need to check STEEM and
let's start
ELF
from
again
STEEM.
because it looked ELF broke other resistance and
bro, let's start from STEEM and move after to another coins. Okay, I'm starting with a 3-day chart. You can use 4-day chart or a weekly chart. Anyway, it's looking. You need to see big picture. And I open in Bittrex chart because Bittrex have a lot of history, not like Binance. Bittrex have a lot of history, and STEEM listed on Bittrex in April of 2016. So it is a lot of history, you know. So we should start from the basic trend analysis. You can see here resistance. You can see here dynamic support. Another resistance here, which is broken. I don't want to draw it. So yeah, this is basic things. We you can see that the price is going in a descending wedge. It is descending wedge. What we have here, we don't have bullish divergences on big scale. Let me switch to daily and check daily. Okay, daily chart. Well, daily chart doesn't have there too. No bullish divergences. So wow, I don't know why it's pumping. Do they have some news?
They have mainnet for new coin in March this month.
Okay, they have a mainnet, right? Okay, they're pumping on news, right? Well, maybe it is double bottom or something like this. You know, maybe it is double bottom pattern. At least it looks like, and probably it will reach somewhere here on this support area and go up again, maybe. Let me finish the drawing here. I will try to. Well, I think the price will make something like this. Something like this. What I think that price will probably make. It is going on with a trending channel. You can see this channel. Yeah, the price is probably in a ascending channel, or it is in a double bottom. So something like this, and we're trying to find the support right now. Price don't have a divergences here on a big scale, so there is an opportunity to take a trade somewhere here on this support area and sell it somewhere here. Let me show it with this arrow. And what about the targets? Okay, let's find some levels here. Levels for the targets, 1 and 2, number 3. Yeah. Okay. So I think for the STEEM, the basic rebuy point should be placed somewhere near actual price, below 1,000, below 12,000 satoshis. 10,000 satoshi also good, 11,000 satoshi also good, and the selling points is like 14,000 satoshi, 16,000 satoshi, and 17,000 satoshi. So it is really interesting to take a trade inside this box. Okay. Okay, bro, do you with us?
ELF.
Sorry, do you agree with this team?
Okay, I was waiting it retrace and then go up more. My point rebuy point because I bought it at 10,000. My rebuy point 120,000.
120.
And then still I have target about 20,000. I think it will make good pump.
Okay, so you will buy it.
Because this until now we don't that it go up slowly step. But FOMO didn't start until now.
Yeah, I agree with you. FOMO will start, you know when will FOMO start? If price will hit like a 15,000 or something like this, then FOMO will start. Anyway, there is a big descending wedge, and if the price will try to break it, it will be a big move. So we will try to follow this price as well. Next, what we're gonna check today, ELF BTC.
Yes.
Yeah, it reached my target or something
Bro,
like that.
you can check STEEM with USD too.
Well, I already switched to ELF. Okay, STEEM USD. Polaniex or Bittrex, I don't care. Same chart, you know? It is same chart because BTC is stable and we have this ascending channel here again, and the price is probably going to revisit supports here between 39.40 or 35 cent, and after that it will probably make a move. This is what I think. And the target here is really high. 82, 81, 68. Gazenfar just saying that Steam mainnet has been delayed. People don't know this. It will dump hard. You know what? If they are delayed, it will agree with this TA what I'm showing you right now. It will make a retracement. They will make mainnet or something like this, making news, good news, and they just pump. Maybe something like this. Okay. So just be ready for this, because delaying of mainnet is probably a good entry point. Okay, I think we end with Steam, and let's go to ELF. ELF, going on with our previous live stream and the previous another live streams. Going with our TA. Today I sell small point of ELF here. Our rebuy was here, I think. Phoenix, do you remember when we when did you rebuy this? I think from this point. Anyway, we have this trading range, breakout from trading range, retest of this area. It is really nice to see retest here.
For ELF, we rebought in many points. We started from 3,000 and we rebought on 3,200 and rebought again on 3,700 and 700.
Yeah, 700. Okay, anyway, it is a nice entry. Look at this. It is a retested of this trading range resistance, and right now price is going up. But what I don't like about ELF and why I sold a small point of ELF today, because of this divergence. You can see it on the chart. Divergence here, I don't like it, and I sold some ELF here. So anyway, it may make a retracement again, maybe smaller retracement that I think like this, and go up, and maybe go up more. So
I have target about 6,000 for it, or
6,000. Yeah, exactly.
6,060. This will be my last target.
Exactly. It probably will reach it. I think it will reach it. Okay, ELF is still good trade, so we still hold it. If you're gonna see a retracement, it will be your opportunity to take a trade. If you're watching us right now, okay, put thumbs up below the video if you like this TA. Okay, let's go next.
BQX.
BQX, okay.
Yeah, I bought some from it. I don't know why, but I checked it. It looked good.
You know, as I remember, BQX was first ICO which was launched on Binance. As I remember, anyway. Well, it have a resistance here, which I show it right now. It is a resistance, and well, you know what? It is looking like a head and shoulders, something like this. You know, it's still looking like a head and shoulders. What I think is like something like this. So yeah, it is really nice. It is looking really good. You know, it having a big price in RSI divergence, bullish. And it is, you know, I think the BQX is going with a similar to ADA, going similar to ZEAL, going similar to SNT, and what else? Qtum, and Qtum as well. So I think they will, these four coins, they will pump in the same time. But when
I saw this, I see this chart, it looked for me big bull run coming.
Yeah, it is really looking strong. I think the price is probably going to, well, revisit at least this this resistance. Let me draw it. 16,000. Wow, 4x from point right now. Okay, we close the live stream. We're going to buy
news about it. In the future, if there will be any news, I think we'll make a big move.
Yeah, exactly. Well, still have some targets below. So we have here, well, nice targets. Anyway, it is it having like a, well, from current price, 70% profits first level, 120 second level, 150 third level, 300% fourth level, and 500% sixth level. So okay, there's really a lot of profits you can take here. Yeah, I'm going to buy it. Nice. I have to save
Let us
this chart.
check, next one.
Let
I
me
don't know
save
if
this chart.
anyone ask about to checking anything for flowers.
Yeah, I will check. I will check right now from the chat. Let me check it. Well, I'm start from the beginning, and we have asked for NEO BTC and ADA BTC. Well, today I share it with you already, NEO, and share it ADA. If you miss it, go and check it some period before. I check it. I show it this chart, still active, still developing head and shoulders for ADA, bullish, and the NEO. NEO developing breakout from descending wedge. It's still going up, still going good, and this analysis active. Sorry. Okay, let's go next. MITH. Let's go check MITH.
Okay, better check ask which flower ask about it.
Yeah, I'm looking for the
I
chart.
was selling my AGI. It pumped, it moved now. So
look, Biplab Kumar asked it about MITH. I'm checking for you this coin. We had signaled for MITH in our chat room. So if you're not subscribed to our BlackStone chat, check below the video link for BlackStone chat and subscribe. It is free. You can share your TA. You can ask for any TA you want to. You can share news. You can discuss news and everything which is around crypto. All right. So be sure you subscribe to our Telegram chat room. All right. For MITH, what is going on here? What is brewing here? I think this is a cup and handle pattern, and this is really strong. Price having strong bullish divergence, and it have, I don't like how I draw it, and it have here, oops, I'm sorry. I will try to make it better. Once again, it having a cup and handle. For our chart, having cup and handle, we have, look at this, it is really strong. Wow, it is really strong here pattern, and I think the price is just trying to break from 1,250, 1,300, and it will be a really strong pump after it. So stick to the price, follow this chart. I think the price will just pump it in a few hours or maybe in a few days. So yeah, better to have some MITH on your account. For the stop loss, I think we should avoid some stop loss hunters or something like this. Some people like loving this definition, stop loss hunters. So anyway, pick up the price at 1,000, at 900, and even at 800 levels. Pick up the price, increase the position to make to average your entry point. So right now still looking nice, and I think the price will just break this resistance in a few days, or maybe even in a few hours. I don't know when. So MITH really strong. I will save this analysis as well. For the targets, everybody want to know the targets. So targets for the MITH, I think the price is probably going to reach at least 2,000. Yeah, at least 2,000. I think it may reach. It is looking strong. So yeah, 2,000 level is interesting level to sell it. Maybe it will reach higher, I don't know, but 2,000 I think is really nice level. And something below 2,000, maybe 1,800, 1,700. So pick up your price. So yeah, this is bullish signal. I think price will make 15% profits. If it will go to the support level, buy more and go again up. If you understand this idea, hit plus in the chat. Okay. Well, MITH have some airdrop on 15 March. Okay, yeah, MITH have airdrop just in 2 days. So it's probably going to revisit the supports maybe, or it will break these levels really fast and go. It may cause the pump and dump, so be careful with your position size. Don't put too much in this risky trade. Next, AION. AION really strong. I think AION is a really strong opportunity on the market, and you can take it, but not right now. The price is a bit higher than I think that I want to buy. So anyway, we have here something like descending wedge. As you know, descending wedge is accumulation pattern. So we waiting for the price reaching these levels. I waiting for 570 or even something like 600 or 700, something like this. It needs to break some resistances here, 430, 480, and it have here 1 level, 2 level of supports. This is support level. So if you see price going 320, just take a trade. If it will make here, buy and go up. So take a trade and use also this level of 350. Also interesting level to take a trade. So yeah, it is really nice. Maybe it will take some time, but it's looking strong. I like how it's looking. What they have? Maybe AION have some news. Phoenix. Okay. So AION targets on your screen. You can check it. You can follow it. Again, don't put too much. Don't put more than you can lose. So anyway, oh wow! I just noticed that we have here really strongest, big bullish divergence. Check it. Price and RSI have bullish divergence. So take a trade. Enjoy your profits. Next. SOTI, how about Dash? Let's go check Dash. Dash, Binance Poloniex. Poloniex have a lot of profits. Well, oh yeah, it broke the resistance which I made for Dash. Inside the trade, I enter it here on this flag. I enter it here. Still waiting. I think the price will make some retracements, and after some period, it eventually will go up again. So I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting for this. So Dash for me is bullish. And you know why? Because
yes, for me too. I bought big back, not big back, only just half Bitcoin.
Anyway, for some people, half Bitcoin is a lot of money. So yeah, it's looking good. 25 is a really strong resistance. You can see it here. So if the price will reach 25, it will pump like a skyrocket and go up, up, up. Okay, for Dash, I'm bullish, and RSI is really bullish. Look, we checking right now 4-day chart. 4-day chart. Each candlestick is a 4-day trading. Look at this. Price going down here. Let me make it bigger. And RSI going up. It's a bullish divergence. you should look for it on a big time frames. If you see big bullish divergence, go ahead, take a trade. All right, next. We gonna check fun. Let's go check fun. Today I checked it on my top trader, and I checked it, and it was really a big price. Fun. Oh yeah, nice chart. Really nice chart. This is how you should buy. The charts you should buy should look like this. Look at this price going down. Every side going up. Easy. Take a trade. Yes. Going lower time frame, daily chart. Right now entry is good. Phoenix, do you see this chart? Maybe we should take a trade for fun. Really nice expanded.
I don't follow up it this period. I don't know.
Well, I don't know. I don't follow it as well, but look at this chart. It's looking strong. 180 is a strong resistance. You can sell here. You can also sell 150. You can sell 140. Also good. So right now price 110. So you can take a trade somewhere in this area as a support area here. 100, 110 is a support, so you can take a trade here and go up with a trend. 25% for the first target, 47% profits to the second target, and third target is about 70% profits. So yeah, it is really strong, nice, big bullish divergence. I like it. I like how it's looking, and maybe I will take a trade. I'm really considering to take this trade. Nice. I'm gonna switch to 4-day chart again to make sure that this is good or not. Resistance here. We need to break the resistance. I think it will make it. There is a lot of targets. A lot of targets. 2800. I'm sorry. 280, 400, 3700. Nice. Okay. What else? What else? What about NAS? What the hell is this? NAS. I'm sorry. I will save this chart. Fun. Let's go check NAS. Pump it. Oh, okay. I'm checking from Huobi. Huobi is a Korean exchange, and a lot of coins was listed on Huobi first, but after it was listed to Binance. So sometimes you have to check from different exchanges as well. And NAS, this is this example for the price is going down and RSI go up, and the prices just pump it already. So the targets for the NAS. 20,000 is already reached, so better not to take this trade. Maybe it will reach in the future 28,000 or even 25, something like this. This is the main objectives for this coin. Maybe someday, maybe it will reach like 59 or 48. I don't know. Maybe. Just maybe. So yeah, don't put here too much because it is really risky, and you can see this resistance still not broken, but after the resistance will be broken, I think the price will go up. So take a wise risk here. Don't risk too much. All right. So NAS is looking. Let's go to check 12-hour chart to find maybe entry here. Okay. Yeah. It's having again. It is a cup and handle pattern. It is a cup and handle pattern, and the price is looking for support right now. So I think the support will be here. It is like 17,000 or 18,000, something like this. So price will make a rebound from these levels, maybe, and go up. So take a wise risk here. Don't lose too much. Sorry, don't put too much. What about next? What we have next? Stellar. Yeah, Stellar was made a move. Stellar was made a move. Bittrex. Stellar made a move. Okay, it broke this triangle to the upside. Nice. You can fix profits here. Price will probably going to reach the area of 3,000 Satoshis. And after reaching this area, it will probably make a retracement, maybe into 2,600 or even lower. I'm still waiting for bigger, if you're going to check a 2-day chart, we don't have a big bullish divergence. Maybe we will have it after some period. I don't know when exactly. Maybe the price will make this rebound here and make a new low and go up. Something like this. This is what I'm expecting from the Lumen. Maybe it will make something like this. Maybe it will make a retracement and go up. It still is a probability. So we need to focus on these things. Okay, so the previous live stream analysis for Stellar Lumen, it is already reached the targets. So try to fix some profits here. Okay, don't hold too much this. What next? AION. Well, chart is just crazy. Hard to imagine what is going on here. It is a ascending triangle. Price made a breakout. And we have resistances here. What? This 13,000 resistance, strong resistance, another resistance here, 11,000. So follow this resistance. If the price will break these resistances, maybe it will go further and maybe reach 19,000 or not. So just, I don't like how it looks here, but it can make a move anyway. Double bottom here. Anyway, it made a move, so maybe it is reaccumulating here. It's already reaccumulated and trying to go up. Maybe, yeah. So for those who holding AION, it's worth to hold. If you're not holding AION, maybe you can take some small trade here, or maybe you can take small risk trade here to hold it for midterm. Yeah, but if we're gonna make 12-hour chart, yeah, we need to focus on good entry, and entry here is better than others. So 9,000 is entry for the AION if you want to enter it for the short term, something like this, or for the midterm as well. So try to pick up the 9,000 price and follow the trend. Okay, what's next? TRON. We didn't check TRON yet. So TRON BTC, Binance. Let's go check from bigger chart view. Okay. Look, TRON have this resistance and this support, and probably no, I don't have it. So you can see this resistance and supports. Let's pick Fibonacci here. This. Price right now is on 0.5 Fibonacci. It can make some, rebound and go lower. I still think the price will reach the region of this resistance support area over 500. So I will try to pick price on 500 to sell it with 35% profits, maybe, or something like this. And also good price to take a trade is to take a trade inside 400 region. Maybe it will make a big rebound. So stick to this TA. I think this is possibility. Phoenix, what do you think about the TRON?
No, nothing. Only just shorting it on BitMEX.
Don't overshort it.
Not over, but don't. I may it rebound, some rebound. Let me check the price. But in this zone, I was waiting 550. It may make some rebound from it, but after that, shorting it.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. I agree with
taking
your.
Short better from taking long with TRX.
So yeah, this is main resistance supports here, and you can take trades here. Something like this. It's overpriced, so don't enter it right now. Okay. What next? TRON, we check it. NXS. Let's go check NXS. Felix, we had a lot of trades on NXS in 2017.
Yes.
We made a lot of money.
Before last pump, I don't know why I didn't buy it. I checked it was 700, but 7,000, but I don't know why I don't.
It was not confirmed. I think I check it a lot of times in excess.
For me now, I don't prefer to join in this level.
Yeah, it's not a good level. I think not a good level.
Bro, for me, excuse me for all, I should leave.
Hey, bro, thank you for joining us
today. And see you. See you all next week. See you.
Thanks, Phoenix. Goodbye. Thanks for attending us. Okay, people, say thumbs up below the videos. Okay, and go again. We're checking Nexus. I think the price is price will probably make here something like a bull flag and try to pump here. So check here your entries maybe will be good in this region. So try to avoid Nexus right now and pick up some supports. I don't see on bigger chart, I don't see any bullish divergences. You can see no bullish divergence here, no bullish divergence here. So I don't really like how it's looking. So I don't trust this price action. So for me, Nexus is not really good to enter. So I will avoid NXS in my trading. XSN, what the hell is this? I don't have index XSN coin trade. No. Okay, let me check. Let me check. Who is asking? Lati asking about XSN. What the hell? XSN. Stack and net. I don't know what the hell is this. Yeah, pretty same chart to do a lot of coins. Pretty similar chart. So hard to focus on it. Yeah, it's better. Well, really hard to understand what is going on with this chart. Anyway, we have here something like a, I don't know, maybe it's a head and shoulders or something like this. Hard to, I'm sorry. Well, anyway, we have this resistance. It was broken in the price right now in somewhere of middle of nowhere. I don't like how this chart looking. It reached this resistance. It have resistance here. Here, it is right now in a really strong resistance area. So don't take any trades here. RSI still not overbought, but it is 3-day chart. So in lower time frames, it's overbought. And it having like something like expanding wedge or something like this. Something like expanding wedge pattern. So I don't really like how it's looking. I don't trust this chart. So if you're trading XSN, maybe better to sell it. Okay, XRP. Wow, people is still trading XRP in 2019. XRP BTC, Poloniex or Bittrex, doesn't matter. Let's go check Bittrex. XRP, well, it is overpriced for me. For me, it is really overpriced. I still believe that, well, not believe, I still waiting for lower levels. You know, it is going slowly, taking not really interesting patterns. It is going on here in this descending channel. And, you know, probably is people waiting for this support. This support. And I think this support should make some rebound. You know, it is about 6,000, 7,000 levels. So be ready for them. It is not best place to take shorts, longs, or something like this. It's better to wait, rebound, and buy if you want to buy. And it is better to wait, rebound even lower, even lower, something like this. So it is really boring to analyze XRP. I don't like it. So I had a lot of analysis for XRP. You can check from TradingView page. All of them active, all of them long-term. So don't take any trade for XRP in this zone. Don't take any trades here. Check your entries from 7,000, 6,000. Check your sorry. Check your trades from 4,600. Check your trades from 2,300. Check your trades from 1,500. So all of these levels active, and they're really good entries for XRP. Right now, it's not a good entry. If we're gonna check, daily chart, we have small bullish divergence, really small. I don't think that this bullish divergence will drive price going crazy. It's just small bullish divergence in a downtrend, so it may reach lower points on me. This is what I think. Okay. One. Okay, let's go check what we have. BTT USD, and after it, we're going to check BTT. Again, overpriced. Stupid overpriced. Price is just in the middle of nowhere, so it is overpriced. Don't take a trade here. Look at this symmetrical triangle. Look at this triangle. Don't take any trades after this. Look at Fibonacci right now. It's probably trying to break these levels and go in this. So somewhere here you can take a trades in the long term, in the short term, in the midterm. So I don't trust this. I don't trust this price. I'm checking BTC is better because it's more stable. BTC is more stable and more predictable, at least for me. You can see the price is rebounded from 80, which was our entry. If you didn't miss previous live streams, you have to know that was our entry. And people who entered here already sold. So they are in profits. There is a lot of levels here, 14, 12. So I still think the price is probably heading to these levels. And it will probably make something like this. So BTT is not best coin to take a trade. Okay. Okay. I think this is a lot for today. We didn't check Bitcoin yet, so we're gonna check it right now. Okay. I have a chart from Wyckoff Logic. Well, we're still in this ascending channel. Oh, I'm sorry, in this ascending triangle. Nothing changed yet. We have resistance line for Bitcoin, so we're probably going to revisit it in a midterm. In the short term, price is just stuck at between 3,800 for most exchanges. I don't think for the long term, but it will probably make some sideways again. Let's go to another chart for XBT on the BitMEX. Okay, what I have here? Okay, look. So blue line here is resistance, long-term resistance from 2018, and we didn't touch it yet on the most of our exchanges. So what we can have here, we can have some. I'm talking just about probabilities. I'm not talking to take a trade, because this zone for not taking trades, because Bitcoin is way too boring right now to take any trades. So what we can have, we have I have three scenarios for Bitcoin right now. So it will probably retrace from this support, go up to revisit this region of this resistance of 4,600, 4,200, and after it will make rebound to the downside. This is the first scenario. I'm gonna make it like this. I'm gonna make it with a green color, and the second scenario for BTC is more interesting for me, at least. I think the price will probably make some rebounds here and go lower to take all stop losses for long, because a lot of people long it here and they have a lot of stop losses. they have stop losses all the way to the downside to the 3,100. So it is probably will be something like a stop loss. I'm sorry, for like a long squeeze trade. They will probably short it up to the down to the 3,200, and after it quick long, like to check liquidity or something like this. So this is really interesting area to take trades for BTC or for taking trades altcoin USD. Okay, if you understand this, hit thumbs up. We have a question from our viewers. Diamond asking about BTT USD trade, which we checked a few minutes ago. BTT. He saying, I'm already in 20% loss for BTT. Should I sell now and enjoy other trades? Well, Diamond, you asking this because you're risking too much. If you remember in the beginning of this video, after we discussed ICOs, I talked a lot about risk management. Think of it. If you can't lose some amount of money, you should not take a trade. Think of this. If you entered too much in a BitTorrent, you maybe should decrease your position inside it and follow other trades as well. So manage your risk well, properly manage your risk. It will ease your mind. It will make you enter better trades, make bigger profits, losing small. And you have to think about risk management really, really hard. I can't answer your question, should you sell or should you hold? Because it's on you. You have to properly manage your risk. If you're risking too much in this trade, maybe it's better to cut your losses and decrease the position size to amount which you can lose. If you can't lose anything, you better stop trading, withdraw your money and go to the job. So let's back to BTC. Okay, back into BTC, we have this scenario where the market maker or big whale will probably take opportunity to take stop losses from the market, and this is really a high probability for this. It will make a lot of panic, and people start to sell their altcoins. They will start to sell their bitcoins, and big player, big whale, I don't know what else, market maker will try to buy all of this demand in this panic. So if you're gonna see this scenario, don't panic. Just count your risks, count your probabilities. You will probably win if you're gonna be cold-minded with right risk management in this case. So learn how to manage risks. And third scenario is a worst scenario, apocalyptic scenario. Name it how you want it, but it is like we described it in the previous live stream. You can check it on our YouTube channel. It was an idea from Mike, Bitcoin Wizard. He showed the idea of the Bitcoin, which is will touch resistance, this resistance, which I showed here, a blue line. And after reaching the resistance, it will make a new low, like a 1,800 or something like this. Yeah, this is real probability. So we have to count it on our risk management as well. And it will, if this scenario will come, it will break the 3,100 level, probably will retest it, and after retesting will go lower. So this scenario is also have some probabilities, so you have to manage your portfolio really well in this scenario to cut your losses, to make enter lower in the make average entry in Bitcoin in this case, because if you're gonna try to pick some level like 1,800 or 1,200 or something like this, you're probably going to miss, because you will probably buy, if you're gonna buy, you're probably gonna buy too high, or if you tried to buy too low, you're probably gonna miss entry at all. So better to manage your entry like this, like a 2,500 level small entry, 3,000 small entry, 2,700, 2,500, 2,300, 2,000, 1,800, all of these levels, small entries on each of them. And when the price will stop and make accumulation pattern, something like this, you will just load more and go with a trend and increase your profits. So it is not so easy to understand it. It's not so easy to make in a real trading, but you have to learn how to manage risk. And what I just described it, to put entries on each of these levels for long term, it is better strategy. It is less riskier. It is more confident strategy for any trader. So if you're still new to the trading, you have to learn how to manage risk and how to average your position sizes, how to enter small amounts, and after after some confirmations, you will load more. You always have time to load more. You always have time to get more profits, but sometimes you don't have a time to take losses. So you have to be confident in what you are doing. In a risk management is really strong tool to increase profits, to make money on the markets, and if you learn risk management well, you will be profitable in any situation, in any conditions. So stay tuned to our channels, okay? And last altcoin today, I'm gonna check fetch because Soti asked about it. Fetch, FET BTC. Let's go check from 4-hour chart. I had a chart somewhere. I don't remember where. Let me check it. Maybe here. Nope. Where I do have it. Oh yeah, this chart. Guys, I'm calling for this second time today. If you're still not in our BlackStone chat in Telegram, you better be here, because sometimes I'm sharing really interesting stuff, and some of our followers in chat also sharing really good stuff, really good TAs, really good entries and signals for trades. So take a look at our chat in Telegram. And in this chart, I showed fetch, i.e. trade. I showed entry at 5,600. I actually take this trade. I actually put this trade for our VIP subscribers. Well, if you want to join our VIP, you just contact me in the Telegram or in WhatsApp or somewhere else. So just contact me. I will make you invitation. So anyway, for fetch, we had a trade in a range of 5,600, and we already fixed 15% profits in this region. I type it in our VIP to sell this in the 6,500. This was our first target, and I think this is a really good target, 15 profits in the short term. Really short term, we yesterday entered the trade, and today we fixed profits. Maybe this price will probably take another wave and make a move. Maybe it will make a move for like 20% profits or something like this, maybe to this level of 7,000 or even 7,900, maybe, just maybe, because I'm not really sure about it. Fetch, it is overpriced, it's really hard, so you have to be really careful with it. So Fetch for me is not really good coin for the tradings, because probably a price after some rebounds, it will make a probably downward move for the lower levels. So just be really careful with it, because a lot of people have Fetch. They are in profits. They are 4 times in profits. They are 5 times in profits since ICO, since private round of sell or this token. So there is a lot of people who have a lot of profits on this token. So be really careful with this. Okay, so I think this is enough for today. Thank you for attending this live stream. Thank you for making a lot of questions today. We checked a lot of coins today. I will make a review for this live stream. I will post it in our Telegram channel, and below this video, you will find contents for each of this. For each of part of this video, for each altcoin, for each ICO. I will make a content list for this video. So thank you. Stay tuned to the YouTube channel. Stay tuned to our Telegram channel. And don't forget to put thumbs up below the video. If you like this video, put thumbs up. If you don't like it, anyway, put thumbs up. And press subscribe to the channel. If you have some questions, just put your question in the comment section. I will always answer your questions. Thank you, and have a nice profits, and goodbye. Stay tuned to next Wednesday at the same time. We're gonna make another live stream. Thank you and goodbye.